So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I will presentation about psychoanalytic rate of the shadow follow me using Sigmund Freud theory. So, the first background. So, literature, especially short story, serves as an effective medium for presenting physiological conflict through symbolism, character, and plot, and relevant approach for examining the physiological dynamics of Sigmund Freud. Psychoanalysis, which focus on the unconscious instinctual defense ID, moral control, the superego, and rational consciousness, the ego. This approach allows readers to understand a character behavior not only through surface events but also through hidden internal conflicts. And Simon proves, and the character Arden is constantly followed by a symbolic shadow representing trauma, and the shadow symbolizes unconscious element and represented experience. The next problem formation. The first, how are the ego and superego represented in the main character? The second, what defines masochism appear in the character's behavior? Next, research objective. The first to describe the personality structure of the main character, and to analyze the defense masochism that emerge in the story. Next, so theoretical framework. For the first, Sigmund Freud psychoanalytic theory. The first, personality structure. Freud defines human personality into three major components. The first, ID, instinctual drivers that are impulsive and oriented toward fulfilling needs. Second, ego, the regular that mediates between the reality. The last, superego, moral values and social norms, the snap one sense of right and wrong. Personality. Next, the unconscious. So Freud emphasizes that most of human behavior is influenced by unconscious experience or trauma. Represent element may reappear in the form of dream, symbol, or certain behavior. Okay, next, defense masochism. So some masochism relevant to the story include repression, projection, denial, sublimation, regression. And then symbolism in psychoanalysis. So Freud often interpret object, shadow, and space as representation of disease or trauma. Next, relevant previous studies. First, study on unconscious symbolism in modern short story. 2. Research applying a fruit theory to character with childhood trauma. The third, analysis of internal conflict in contemporary literary work. Okay, the last, conceptual framework. The research begins by identifying the physiological symptoms of the relating them to fruit concept in order to examine personality structure and the symbolism of the shadow. Okay, the next, research methodology. Quality approach, concept analysis. First, primary data, the story, the shadow follow me. And secondary data, fruit theory and literary references. The third, technique, closer reading and categorism of finding. And the last, data analysis technique. So the first, identifying internal conflict and symbolic element. The three, and the two, classifying finding based on field and theory. Third, interpreting physiological meaning. And the last, drawing conclusion based on the research object. Okay, so I think that's all presentation about apa tadi, about psychoanalytic rate of the shadow follow me using Sigmund Freud theory. Okay, so thank you.